Cheers to the memories hidden and kept in our treasures chest where time has slept. Whispers of laughter, echoes of loud cheers, moments we've gathered in our growing years. Char!
Okay. Hello. Hinay lang tamo drive kay matagal kong phone.
Lagi.
Sige, sige.
Okay, sige, tindaki sa yun.
So, guys, we are here inside the Swan boat and we have around 30 minutes, I guess, to contemplate about life, right, MJ?
Yes, yes.
And together with Mia, we have MJ.
Yes,
And on the other side,
other
we
side,
have our friends.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, but anyway, going back. Somebody, ay! Sino mong naong? Joke lang.
Picture.
Sorry for that. Charot. Kipicturean ba sa mga Jumega?
Yes, our supportive friends, you know.
Ay, sila sa
Naka-ano na siya finally. Naka-Swan Lake Princess na eh.
I heard there's a myth that any couple who rides this swan boat would break up.
Wait, so wait, like, no kami
Sige, guys, ta. So, gihagit mi sa musilingan.
Okay, okay.
Ka, asam to? Kana sila, Grace daw sila. So,
What's okay? Wait, so, wala pa natarong. Forward. Yeah, and then you have to turn around.
turn around every now and then I get a little
Yeah, but we have to continue.
Dilagi siya ulit ko.
Actually, we have to continue
Uy, di na
tindakin.
to kaliko.
No, it's likoing.
Nilagi mo.
What? Pagani ba? Yes, this is so funny. Oh my gosh, we're gonna...
Uy, kasan mo na.
Ding, 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 ding. Uy, ang gusto ay nagkubo.
Nag-breeding yun sila. Ngayon nilalain na nagkunot-kunot siya.
Ano kayo maklaro eh?
Kahait na yan po ano.
As in.
Capybara?
Oo, kailaan eh, in fairness.
Right, it is a personal. Tipis kag legs.
Patagonian Mara. Si Mars. Hi Mars. Hi Mars. Napay si Mars. Hi Mars. Naka-zoom din.
Yeah, oh, ano?
Basta
Yung cute niyo, ikaw.
Makuyawan ka kayo mo ano ihang ko. As in, mubungkag?
Kita mo, kita mo.
Pakuyawan daw. Saan pagpakuyawan? Musod siya. Lalala. Bambi! Bambi! Yeah. Kaya creepy nila tanawin. So cute, ano? Hala, wow! Taasan dyan dahil ilang body, no? Laki, sige, pangita ni mo eh. Balik, balik. Balik. Anak na po siya kuto. Lala.
Gano'n ko ito nagbalis niya. Ano na wala pa? Sige. Ano pa?
にストップ。なんだ。
なんかガリガリやってる。リスさん降りて。
キュート。
Ikaw yun eh.
Ano ako? Ikaw. Ikaw sa isa. Masa wala?
Nag-spray pa ka dito, no? Ha?
Spray mo. Oh!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Really energy guys.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Blow your candle.
Blow him.
Nakaw?
Mayad yung manual.
Yay.
I-appreciate sa ng happy birthday, Eunice.
So cute.